Indices. In the previous chapter, we looked at some of the examples of indices. We came across some of them. Now, what exactly is indices? Indices is from a word we're already familiar with, index. So this is a singular and this is a plural form of index. Now it simply means expressing a number by the number of times it multiplies itself. Let's say we have 2 times 2. We can express it as 2 raised power. How many times is it multiplying itself? 2 times. So express it as 2 raised power 2. So a times a times a times a will give you a raised power 4. So this is simply what indices means. Now in the previous chapter also we came across 2 laws of indices. One for multiplication and one for division. Now in this chapter we're going to look at the powers in detail. And the first power says that x raised power y times x raised power z is the same thing as x raised power y plus z. So this is the first law. And the second law, the division law, says x raised power y divided by x raised power z is the same thing as saying x raised power y minus z. This is the second law, the division law. So knowing this, you can solve almost anything that comes across you. So let's look at this. We have 243 times 3 raised to power 2. Express your answer in indices. So 243, when we break it down, let's see if it's divisible by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So that means 3 can divide. If we express it in factors, we have 243 divided by 3. So 3 here will give us 81. 3 again to 81 will give us 27. Then 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So this 243 is the same thing as 3 times, how many times is it multiplying itself? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing as 3 raised to power 5. So this question means 3 raised to power 5 times 3 raised to power 2. Using our first law, now becomes 3 raised to power 7. It's just as simple as that. Let's look at another example. We're told to multiply 2c raised to power 4, d raised to power 2, e raised to power 2 by minus 5 c raised to power 2, d raised to power 3, e raised to power, raised to power nothing. Okay, let me give a third law of indices. When any number is expressed is raised to power 0, it equals 1. Any number raised to power 0 equals 1. So this is our third law. Okay, so to multiply this, we will multiply like terms. 2 times minus 5 will give us minus 10. C raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power 2 will give us C raised to power 6. D2 multiplying D3 will give us D raised to power 5. E2 multiplying E raised to power 1 will give us E raised to power 3. This is our final answer. So division, let's look at one example under division. 35 x raised to power 5 y raised to power 4 divided by 7x raised to power 3 y. So 35 divided by 7 will give us 5. x5 x3 will subtract. That will give us x raised to power 2. Then y raised to power 4 and y raised to power 1. That will give us y raised to power 3. We use our second law. So this is our final answer. Okay. Now I want you to click on Start Quiz and answer all the questions following.